Hey guys, it's your boy Redstone Reaper here, and today I'm here with another fake burping and armpit farts video. And I haven't really planned what I'm going to be doing, but the first thing that came to my mind was that maybe I should make like a musical tune out of fake burps and armpit farts, but I don't know which one to do. And also, shout out to two of my fans, Bobby and someone else. Thank you, you two. And so yeah, I don't know what to do. Oh, I could do the alphabet using fake burps and armpit farts. Okay, guys. So yeah, be grateful. Time to use fake burps. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay. Okay guys, do you like that? Look, I'll take that as a yes. Now for armpit farts. Okay guys, so that's basically what I'm gonna do. I mean, the content of this video. So please subscribe to my channel /s and like the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.